Hey guys, if you want to know how to invest or to start a business online, Danjo Capital will help you and he's the best coach.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you don't know me, my name is Dandro Yanga, also known as Dandro Capital, the Capital Master, and I'm here to help you win the game in stock market and make a lot of money. Now, if you don't know, APVI just released, okay, and this is not an IPO, okay, this is not an IPO, but if you invested in APVI, you already gained 2,000%. Just imagine that, 2,000%. So let's just say you have 20,000 and you gain 2,000%. Just imagine that. Just imagine that. And let's just say you have 100k and you gain 2,000%. 2 million. You have, let's just say you have 500,000. You gain 2,000%. That's 10 million. What more if you have more money? So, just to give you an idea, what is APVI, okay? APVI actually, okay, is actually on the local stock exchange by the way of introduction without any public offering after it has declared shares as property dividends. Okay? So, it just means that it is still not, okay, it's still not certain if you're an investor to go here. So this is not for newbies. If you're gonna invest in APVI, this is not for newbies because there's no fundamentals yet of the company. So if you entered here at this price of 205 mark, okay, you already lost a lot of money because there's a lot of selling. So just imagine if you invested in APVI at around 218, you entered here, okay, you, for example, you're a day trader, you already lost a lot of money. So it is not guaranteed that you gain a lot here. So there are traders who gained, of course, but there are a lot who also lost. So that's the rule of stock market. If you don't know the technicals, if you don't know how to read the charts, then you will lose. Now let's focus on another big company, which is Dito, because I just want to make this video because people are saying Dito is just a speculation, but take note that PLDT, when it started, it is also a speculation. So if you don't know, PLDT, it started at around, okay, 3 pesos. So if you invested in 3 pesos today, what is the value of PLDT today? Let's see. Okay, let's see PLDT. So it is already, okay, at 1,200 pesos. So just imagine that gain from 3 pesos to 1,200 pesos. How much money will you have? So let's move forward with Dito because I invested in Dito and I believe in this company. And if you can see, there's a 3 rising method here. Actually, many people think this is actually Black Rose actually, but this is not, because the confirmation candle says it is bullish. So this is a green confirmation candle indicating that there's still a control here. So there's still a control here up to here. So please take note of this, okay, that when you're trading, you need to see your support and resistance. And if you can see here, there's the clear support at 3.13 mark. But if you look at moving average, okay, if you look at moving average and then you see 200, okay, moving average 200, you can see that this is a clear big support at 3.29 mark. So this candle did not even went here. So that just means that Dito is massively uptrend. So if you're here and it is going down, people might be scared. People who are not that expert in trading might be scared. They might think, oh, Dito is falling down, I might sell this. So it actually went 3 times down. So if you don't know 3 rising method, it just means that 3 small candles follow up by a big green candle. So please take note of this. If Dito did not become a green candle today because it's still 12 p.m. If it went here, then there's a possibility it will go down further. Okay, so it will go down further up to here and break this MA200. But please take note, it did not went down, so it went up. So there's a possibility it will break this next resistance. And please take note that Dito is supported by Chinese companies. So the 40% of Dito is owned by Chinese Telecom, and they're supported by senators like Grace Poe, like a lot of really big time companies, and there's a possibility that it will go higher. So I suggest, if you invested in dito right now, let's just say you invested in dito here, okay, I suggest you wait and hold for long term, okay, possibly break this next resistance at 3.82. If you take a look at these charts, I'm gonna show you, there's a clear resistance at this level. Okay, there's a clear resistance here before it went down and it went up. So if this is being broken, and I'm sure it will be broken because technical launch is already at July, so investors like to invest with possibilities that it will go well. Okay, and the speculation is actually great. So if you look at RSI, it is not overbought yet because it's not yet on the 80 mark. And if you do look at the day trading, it's still on the 70. So it's still a good entry if you're just entering today. But I suggest, if you're just entering, wait for possible consolidation here. So if the next candle is here, then I suggest you buy already. But if the next candle will go here, and then so there's a possibility that it will just go up and down. So up, then down. So there are a lot of possibilities going on here. Up, down, up, down. So it really depends on the next candle confirmation. But this green candle is already a good sign, indicating that there's a possible uptrend. So if you look at the risk to reward ratio, okay, I'm just gonna show you the risk to reward ratio. So if you can see here, guys, if you can see here that, let me move this around. So if you can see here that if you started here, your risk, okay, and your support level, so let's just plot it. So if you want to target at around, I suggest 5 pesos eh. So you target 5 pesos, and then your support will be here. So that's your risk and reward ratio. But I think dito will become successful in this technical launch because it's supported by big companies. And if you can see MACD, it's already on a bullish. So this is a good stock to buy. And remember, even though there's still speculation, Globe PLDT started with also speculation. There's no fundamentals there. So it's all about your risk management, your risk factors, if you want. Just like APVI, if you invested here, you already earn 2,000%. Just imagine that. So I suggest you invest in dito because it's a good telco company. It's a third player, and if you're the third player, you're already there eh. You're already projected to perform well eh. So just, I'm not giving any advice na mag-invest kayo sa dito talaga, pero I suggest you invest. But please take note that dito, okay, dito is not here yet. So there's still that risk na wala pa, pero I'm very certain na soon dito will be back, and it will possibly be the second player or the first player. So we don't know yet. But right now, looking at the charts, EMA 200, 150, and 20, the candle is above all of them. So this is a clear sign that dito is on an uptrend. And if you plot it here, okay, if you plot that, it is clearly uptrend. So wait. So if you plot here, okay, to here, then there's a clear uptrend. So I suggest you wait for the next candle confirmation, but this is already an uptrend for me. So if you're just entering, wait it to consolidate first. And I don't suggest to invest in APVI when you've not yet entered. So wait for the next candle. So hope you guys learned, and for my next video I will do an expert level trading strategies where I will discuss BB already, or Bollinger's Band, and with also, so this 3 including, and also I will discuss the expert level when you invest in the stock market. What do big time traders do? What do they invest? So if you enjoyed this video, please click the like and subscribe button, and hope you guys learned. And my mission is just to help a lot of Filipinos to win in the game of stock market, because there are only few traders in the Philippine stock market. And if you can nail this, if you can read the fundamentals and technicals, I guarantee that you will win in the stock market. So that's it, guys. Please click the subscribe button now and have a great day. This is Nigel Capital, the Capital Master.